Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, Jonard Clarito, and Coach Yang Yao of Rain or Shine. Coach, bad start, down 21 agad kayo. But what a fight back. What are some of the things you were able to do to turn around the game?
Nagpasensya lang kami. No, we just tried to recover from the shock. No, actually, 40-point quarter, they were making all their threes. So medyo nakakabigla yung first quarter. Pero sabi namin, let's just weather the storm. No, play our game. Offensively, we were not bad. Pero medyo masama yung depensa namin nung una. Nagulat kami kay Mike Henry. Nung ganda ng start niya, mabuti na foul trouble siya. Also, Kaylan Chongson did an excellent job shutting him down. No? Parang ano rin, no? Parang yung ginawa rin niya kay Justin, no? Justin Brownlee. Ano? He was crucial making the stops. The points he produced for us were just the bonus. No? But I think yun ang isang malaking bagay na na-stop namin yung momentum nila playing good D on Mike Henry. We were also able to contain si Bolick, no? Although marami pa rin siyang ginawa, kaya lang he was not as dominant as he usually will be, no? With the ball. I think yun ang dalawang bagay. We were going into this game looking at how we can manage the game of the import and si Berto nga. No? Ano naman kami, we're confident about our offense. We know we can get our offense going. No? I think we were able to play at the pace that we wanted to play. No? Also, we moved the ball. We moved the ball a lot. We got our open looks. So, konting pasensya lang, darating din na yung opensa. Basta, wag lang silang masyadong magkakumpiyansa sa sa opensa nila na nangyari nung first quarter.
Now, Coach, you mentioned last game, although nanalo naman kayo, it was an inefficient ball game. This time with this win, are you satisfied? Ano masasabi mo, Coach, sa effort na pinakita nila?
Yeah, I think mas maganda yung percentages namin this game. Yeah, we were like 55% no from the field, and then you were able to 31 assists. So any coach will be happy with 31 assists, and then 38 fast break points. No? So that's really our objective, is to play fast, share the ball, get a higher percentage of our shots on offense, and then sa depensa naman, make the stops. Yung ginawa ni Kaylan, ginawa ng mga gwardiya namin kay Bolick. I think that's the key. No? Yun yung key. Though some of the other guys were making their threes, even their fours. No? Medyo hindi pa rin kami makalayo noong fourth quarter dahil pumapasok pa rin yung mga 3 at 4 nila. So kahit na nado-dominate namin yung pace, yung bilis ng laro, meron silang pamatay ng sunog when they make their threes, when they make their fours, ang laki ng impact sa laro.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jonard, bukod sa'yo, marami ka ring teammates na maganda yung laro, halos positives tuwing pinapasok ni Coach Yang Yao. Paano nyo ba na-challenge yung isa't isa pag nasa loob ng court?
Yun nga, sabi ni Coach, sinimulan namin sa practice, competitive lagi doon. Tsaka, yun nga, ginawa namin sa ensayo. Tapos dinala lang namin sa game kung ano yung dapat naming depensa sa game.
May nabanggit si Coach Yang how, as a coach and as a player, he built his system na around enjoyment. Ikaw, as a player, paano nyo nararamdaman sa court na naglalaro kayo, trabaho nyo to, pero nag-e-enjoy kayo kasi nakikita rin yun ng mga nanonood?
Siyempre, yun nga, sabi ni Coach, sinimula namin sa depensa. Tsaka sa teammate naman namin, lagi silang sumusuporta. Kaya lagi kaming nag-i-enjoy tuwing kahit magmimintis kami, nandyan sila. Lagi nilang kami ginagayad kung ano yung mali namin. Doon kami nagbabase sa depensa namin. Kung mag-turnover kami, kami nila, Kuya Bo, Kuya Gabe, ginaguide nila kami kung ano dapat nung gawin sa depensa.